Welcome to the channel. Very commonly, we see a train that consists of only one type of rail car. Coal trains with their open hoppers and intermodal trains with their intermodal cars are two examples of this type of configuration. The train in this video mostly fits that configuration as it consists mainly of CSX covered hoppers. The dispatcher included a couple of tank cars at the very end for variety, I guess. Buddy and I recorded this train after it had crossed the Western Diamond at the Union Station Railroad Museum in Marion, Ohio on the 9th of August. We hope you enjoy the video. Well, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Did you know that over 99% of our watchers are not subscribers? If you're going to watch, please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps the channel immensely. And for now, this is Grandpa, Buddy, and Grandma Boo signing off. We love you all. Have a great day.